Alright, so we woke up out in the Sawtooth Mountains this morning and blue skies. It's not even like 9 o'clock yet. And you can see all these chemtrails around me that have been laid already. It's crazy. Already like maybe a dozen or 2 dozen have already been laid over this area where we woke up. Everybody shit talks chemtrails versus contrails, and there's a difference. There's something being put in our skies, and I'm curious to what it is.
If you were to do a basic internet search on stratospheric aerosol injections, you would find a plethora of information. Everything from scholarly articles to patents have been written on this topic that most people would consider a conspiracy theory. And for good reason. Every single piece of information I can find discusses the, quote, proposition to use this geoengineering technology. In a 2015 paper by Stanford University, they discuss how this approach to geoengineering exhibits vast unpredictability and potentially great risk. There are patents as far back as 1974 filed by the U.S. Navy that lay the groundwork for use of particle-based aerial contrails. The patent EP2512216A1 for an atmospheric delivery system has been cited by dozens of entities as a global warming solution. With no clear answer being given, and a lack of public involvement, the question begs to be answered. What's being put in our skies?